After recording this video like 1,000 times, I discovered that this is my best side. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is actually my very first video for YouTube, so I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Cynthia and I'm Portuguese raised. However, I'm original from Africa. I was born in a country called São Tomé and Príncipe. Yes, I know that a lot of you guys never heard of that country before, so let's break that in a few seconds. So, São Tomé and Príncipe, it's a beautiful island located in Central Africa. So it's just right on top of the equator line. In order for you to find it, you'd have to zoom in because it's a really tiny island. So you zoom in on the west side of the African continent and you'll find it for sure. What else? I'm a visual person. I love to draw. Everyone that knows me, they know that I love to draw. So I love to create. I like to design. I'm into fashion. I love fashion. So at the moment, I'm working on my fashion collection and I created my brand, Cindy A. But how would you pronounce that?
I pronounce it as Cynthia.
Cinda. Cinda.
Cinda.
Cinda.
Cinda.
Cinda. Cinda.
Cinda.
Cinda.
Cindai.
Cynthia.
Cinda.
Cinda.
Cynthia. Cydaya.
Cinda.
Cinda.
For me, it's Cynthia.
No. That's wrong. The right pronunciation would be Cindy A.
Cynthia.
Yeah, like, I don't know if people really try to connect it with my name. If they did, they are right, because Cindy A came from my name and my surname. So I took the first three characters of my name, Sin, like from Cynthia, C-Y-N, Sin. And then I took two characters from my surname. My surname is kind of long, it's de Assunção, and I know that a lot of people wouldn't be able to pronounce that correctly. Even though I wanted to be known as Cynthia de Assunção, I had to make something short and easy for people. So I took only three characters from my surname, D''A, D-A. So altogether, Cindy A. Easy? Do you understand now? So let me know which pronunciation you think is best. If pronunciation number 1, Cinda, pronunciation number 2, Cindy A. So pause this video right now and comment down below which one you think that it sounds best, or which one you think that you would pronounce as. So why have I created my channel? So I created my channel because I want to grow, guys. I want my label to be known one day. Yeah, I really want to. So in return, if you'd like to learn how to make a shirt, how to make a dress, how to make a tie, anything, a gift for a loved one, this is the right channel. And also, if you are struggling with fashion illustrations or technical drawings, yeah, this is the right channel for you. So please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Yes, and stay tuned for many other videos to come. Oh, also follow me on Instagram at Cynthia de Assunção. Yeah, I know that's hard. So I'll leave my link down below in the description box.
Cynthia, what's up? I think they pronounce it either if it's American, it's gonna be Cinda, like Cinda.
Cinda sounds like a French brand for some reason. Maybe they do apóstrofo.
Oi, Cíntia. Olha, pra mim parece Cinda. Cinda. Acho que é isso.
Cynthia.